Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a quick video together, just going to have a quick go and just show you running you through how to do the Proxy alignment with the Topdon Phoenix Lite 3. Basically it's in an attempt to fix the flashing mileage issue on this little Fiat 500. Just see the mileage is flashing there. It's a really common issue on these Fiat 500s and a lot of other Fiats as well. I don't know if it's going to fix it on this one tonight, because a lot of the time on these little Fiats it's actually to do with a fault with the body control module, but sometimes a Proxy alignment can actually fix the issue, so it's always worth just trying this first before you go down any like a route of getting a bit more involved with the body control module or anything like that. We might have to do that, and if I do, I'll do another video on the full repair. And there's got another fault with this one, I'll just show you that in a minute. But when we're indicating right, we've got the battery light and the temperature warning light, I think it is, flashing as well, so I'll just show you that quickly in a minute. But yeah, we'll be doing a video on that as well. But basically this flashing mileage issue, if you've got that issue, say on the Fiat Ducatos and stuff as well, the Proxy alignment will not usually sort it out. The first thing you do want to be trying though, doesn't always work, but it's certainly worth a go. If you just disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, we will leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes and then reconnect it. And what that does is it basically resets all the ECUs and just gets them to basically reset and communicate with each other again. That's usually what the fault's to do with, is basically a loss of communication between some of the modules, that's all. If I just show you, we've done a full scan with the Topdon diagnostic machine, the Phoenix Lite 3. And in the body control module, you can see we've got a configuration fault there. Configuration failed B10AA. Now, I have already tried the battery procedure, so we'll just run you through the Proxy alignment. We'll just see if that works. And if not, I'll have to go on to another video where we get the fault fixed properly, that's all. But yeah, basically to do that, if we go into the body control module, it's quite a straightforward procedure to follow. And we've got special functions, MISC functions, and you can just see we've got the Proxy alignment procedure there. And I think it usually tells you, yeah, you can just see on there, it does say as well to use that procedure if, and obviously you can see one of the reasons is a blinking odometer there. So if we just run through it, it's quite straightforward. So it'd be nice if it fixes it just for the video, but I'm not holding my hopes out. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a fault relating to the body control module. If so, the module's located in the back behind one of the door panels. I think it's the passenger side one there. But I'll be doing a bit more of an in-depth video. We'll have to get that all stripped down, get the module out. There's some wiring checks that you can do to the module, so we'll run you through all that as well. And then if everything else checks out, it'll be a case of sending the module away. I use a company called ECU Testing, so I'll put some details to them. And then it'll just be a case of reinstalling the module and running through a few options on the diagnostic machine once we get it back. But yeah, let's just have a go with this first. As you can just see, it's come up with an issue there. Unable to start writing, so it's not going to work on this one. Let's just double check anyway. Just turn it off and restart and just make sure, but pretty sure that won't have worked. Usually just takes a few minutes to start flashing. Yeah, so still flashing there. So I'll just show you that indicator fault as well. You just see indicating right. Basically got the temperature warning light flashing and the battery light flashing there as well. Now that's the fault to do with the instrument cluster. Again, I'll put another video on there. I'll be sorting that out as well, but it will be a case of getting the instrument cluster out. It's not usually something that you can fix without a bit more in-depth equipment. So again, I'll probably be taking that off and sending that for repair. But I'll run you through that in a bit more detail. But yeah, hope the video helps someone having a go, just wondering how to do the Proxy alignment with a diagnostic machine if you've got one. Obviously, before you get more involved with the body control module and sending it away, you definitely want to be trying the procedure with the battery and then just trying the Proxy alignment first. So yeah, obviously keep an eye on the channel. If you've still got the fault and that hasn't worked, hopefully we might be able to show you the fix with the body control module and what the usual fault is with that as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.